NASDAQ this week has lost its value. We can see that the price has started here from this area of resistance, 25,986.01. The price has lost its value. We can see that strongly, reaching the area of support, 25,290, retracing back up and then returning back down again, pretty strong in the next few days. And we can see on a Friday the price has managed to stay above 25,033.69 as support level. And it has formed a bullish pin bar with a pretty strong wick. Weekly time frame shows us that we have a strong bearish candle with a large wick on the lower side, small wick on the upside, which means there is bearish sentiment entering into the market, but it has stopped right at 25,033, which is a very important currently a support level. Monthly time frame just started the month, so it is a bearish candle, similar like the weekly time frame, so there is not too much details here visible. Let's go to the daily time frame, which shows that we have a bullish pin bar right here at the support level. For now, as it looks, we are in the small bearish sentiment, but it's very important to see how the Monday open. Will it open with a gap or without the gap? And you can see how the gap can open and push the price in one of the directions. But also you can see when the price was here, there is also potentially that the price opens with a gap in the opposite direction. It was a strong bearish candle, but it has opened with a gap in the bullish mode. So, and it can happen over the weekend. So it's best to stay out and wait for a Monday to see how it will open, and also especially how it will close. It will also show some kind of a sentiment. If it closed below this area of support, this means bearish sentiment is still active. There is potential that the price will reach this area 24.500, which is here visible as the open and close price levels of these candles. This is a support level where the price could reach 24,607. After that, we will see what happens. But if the price returns back above this area of resistance, 25,290.81, it will be indication that the price is currently in the bullish mode, like in this example, when there is a bullish breakout formed on the chart, targeting higher price levels, where the next target will be 25,617.33, where the open and close price levels of these two candles are located. So, for now, I am waiting outside, waiting to see how the price will open on a Monday, and then we'll see where the price goes. If you would like to receive the updates during the week, when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts and what is the target, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so join other traders. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.